Hi everyone, good afternoon, and thank you for joining this wonderful session. My name is Sumit Mandal, as most of you already know. I'm Customer Success Manager at Mera Monitor. I work closely with all the customers of Mera Monitor, help them get the best experience from the product. First of all, we'll start with understanding the live tracking feature and how it works. We'll do a deep dive into the screenshot feature, live streaming feature. We'll also cover some important configuration settings. Let me ask a quick question for everyone. Have you ever sat at your desk and wondered, what is my team actually doing right now? Live tracking feature was added to Mera Monitor to view in real time what your employees are doing. It gives you visibility. It helps you understand what your team is working on during the working hours. We are delighted to have Mr. Yusuf Chaudhary. He's from Aston Hill. He is the head of operations there. He has been using Mera Monitor for a very long time.
So it has been very long now we are with the Mera Monitor. It's a very great experience. We are managing all the stuff through the Mera Monitor.
This feature gives you a clear idea of what your team is working on without checking manually again and again. First, let's understand what this does. It captures images of the user screen at regular intervals. You can set your intervals, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. So during the work hours, you'll keep on getting the screenshots.
First, we actually need to go to the website app.meramonitor.com, and then using our credentials, we need to log in. On the left-hand side, you will see the section Live Tracking, under which you will find the screenshot section.
First of all, through this, you will be able to see your team screen in real time. You don't have to wait for reports, or you don't have to call your employees to check what exactly they're working on right now. You can use the live streaming feature and directly see what exactly is open on the screen, what task they are working on.
Now let me show you all how it looks like on the platform. So under the same section, the next section is live stream. So over here, you will also get two views. One is online and another is all members. So both views are more or less similar. The only difference is that in that online view, it shows only the active members, while in the all members view shows everyone, including the offline members.
Now we will move on to the most special part of today's webinar, our leader segment.
So let me ask one question. In these days, where hybrid and remote work is a paramount, so don't you think transparency, productivity, and better work visibility? So all the three tenets are very important. Is it right? So now, just to meet these three things, so we started a couple of building this Mera Monitor.
Now let's quickly look at some best practices to use live tracking in the right way. First, use screenshots smartly. Don't keep the interval too short, set it to properly based on your needs. Also, use blur if there are any sensitive or personal data involved. To everyone, feel free to ask anything about the product, feature, setup, or the best practices. Also, we would love to hear your feedback, suggestions, or any real life use cases you want to share with us.